In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code or embed codes in Wix, whether you're embedding a third-party widget, integrating custom features, or adding external functionality to your site. Knowing how to insert HTML code is a vital skill for customizing your Wix website. The process is straightforward and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident adding embed codes to your Wix site, opening up a world of creative possibilities. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Wix website editor. To do this, head over to your Wix dashboard and select the site you want to edit. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you've chosen the correct project. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Edit Site button. Go ahead and click it to launch the Wix editor for your specific site. This will take you to the main editing interface where you can make all the changes you need. Now that you're in the editor, your next step is to locate the plus icon, also known as the Add button. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen. This icon is your gateway to adding all kinds of elements to your website, and it's an essential part of the editing process. Once you've spotted it, give it a click. This will open up a menu displaying a variety of elements you can add to your site, such as text, images, and more. With the menu now open, you'll need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Embed. This section is specifically designed for adding custom code and third-party integrations to your site. Once you've located it, click on Embed to expand the options available to you. Here you'll see several choices, but for today's tutorial, we're focusing on embed code. Select embed code from the list of options, and then click on Embed HTML. This will open up an area on your page where you can insert your HTML code. Think of this as the space where your custom code comes to life. A box labeled HTML settings will appear, and this is where you'll paste the HTML or embed code you've prepared in advance. If you haven't prepared your code yet, now is the time to do so. Make sure the code is exactly as it should be, as even small errors can cause issues. Once you've pasted your code into the HTML settings box, take a moment to check it for any errors. This is a crucial step because incorrect or incomplete code can result in the feature not working as intended, or worse, it might affect your site's functionality. Double-check your code to ensure that everything is in order and ready to go. When you're confident that the code is correct, look for the Apply or Update button in the corner of the HTML settings box. Clicking this button will save your changes and apply the embedded HTML to your site. This step is essential for making sure your code is properly implemented. Finally, verify how the embedded code appears on your site using the editor interface. Take a close look to ensure everything displays and functions as expected. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back to the HTML settings box and make adjustments. Once you're satisfied, your custom HTML feature is officially live on your Wix site. And that's it. You've successfully added HTML code or an embed code to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.